Hello there, welcome to Geir Ivar Gårdtur. I'm Geir Ivar and I've gone hiking. This is a small campsite in a nature reserve near where I live. The purpose of this trip is mostly to clear out the old tarp someone has left ages ago over here. You see it's really starting to fray. So it's about time someone cleaned it up, so it doesn't so we don't get plastic all around the nature here. If someone wants to use the shelter, they just throw a better tarp over it next time. Anyway, here's a nice seating area with a small table, I think, and a fireplace over there, which I'm going to use to cook something to drink today. I'm clearing a bit of snow so I can see where the snow ends and the fireplace begins. And I brought some dry wood from home, just in case, so I don't have to work so hard. I almost always bring my working gloves, even on hikes, to grab rocks and trees. But when you're making a fire, they're nice too. Oh. I think I'm going to get a fire from this. It's good. I'm not sure, did I not get to film the fire starting? Okay, I just built a fire. The logs underneath are to keep it dry and off the snow for the start. And I used a fire starter and a lighter. This is a smoky fire right now, but I just need some heat to boil the water. Meanwhile, I'm going to start tearing down the tarp over there. This shelter is relying on the branches of the trees, so if I cut the ropes and remove the tarp, it won't damage the structure. So whoever wants to use it can still use it without the plastic bits in the rope and the tarp. Here they use nails as well. I'm gonna leave the metal parts. Here the frame is broken even. It's almost half done. I got to check on my water. And the water is boiling. Good, good. Oh, this is life. Well, it's pretty far from perfect. It is better than it was. I'm carrying some of the dry logs over to the fire. Can use for firewood later. But otherwise, it's okay. And I look forward to visiting this place maybe next year when Mother Nature had done some of her own cleaning. There is at least a lot less plastic around now. So that was it for me. I'm done cleaning up other people's messes for today. It's fun, and I hope if I ever leave a mess behind, maybe someone will clean up after me. I will try not to. So now I'm just going to burn down the fire I've started and enjoy life for a while before I go home. It's starting to get dark. It's the middle of November, and around here we might not see the sun until late January now. So thank you for joining me on this trip, and I'll see you on the next one.